Hi, I'm Clay Neves, Vice President of Enrollment at Universal Accounting, and I welcome you to GrowCon this year. It's going to be an amazing conference. We have a lineup of amazing speakers that will help you understand all the ways that you can provide better service for your clients and build your practice as a business owner and accountrepreneur. You know, the only way to grow your practice is to grow your sales, to grow your ability to bring on new clients, and most importantly, new client relationships. I think it's a lot easier if you think in terms of bringing on new relationships rather than bringing on new clients. Because the infinite game indicates that the way you win infinite games is to keep play going. And we're going to teach you how to build those relationships in business. You know, a lot of us think that business relationships are different than personal relationships, but they're not. They are built the same way, founded on a foundation of mutual trust, mutual respect, mutual interest, and an ongoing exchange of value, whatever that might be. We also seem to be singular in our thinking in that the only relationship that we need in order for our business to thrive are more clients. Nothing could be further from the truth. I've actually identified 7 critical relationships that every business needs to thrive and grow. The problem is we don't think of these other relationships very often, but they are also brought on with the same process that you use in building relationships for new clients. So we're going to talk about how to establish business relationships in very natural ways that are actually fun and not really that salesy, based on some human relation skills that will help build immediate rapport and help you attract, convert, and retain all the clients that you need. Come in May and let's learn together how to win the infinite game of business relationships.